beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this potato ball recipe. It's very easy and simple to follow. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so in my bowl I have my Irish potato. Is peeled and washed already. So I'll transfer it into my pot. And I'm going to be adding water and I'll cook this till it is soft and tender. So after a few minutes, I'm back to check on the potato and the potato is doing well. Okay, so I checked if it is soft and it was ready. So I'll remove the potato from the pot and I'll transfer it into the bowl. And I'm gonna mash this potato till it is smooth. You can use fork or mash it till it is smooth. And this is it already. It's been mashed already. So I'll go in with my flour. Next I'll add in corn flour, sugar, salt, baking powder. Okay, so I'm gonna mix everything together to combine. Okay, so I'm gonna do this to form a dough. You need to add flour gradually till you have a dough formed. And this is the dough I have. It's still a bit sticky, but that's okay. So I'll cut small from it and I'll make a ball. You can decide to make any shape of choice, so I'll be going with this ball. Next, I will fry this in my vegetable oil, and this recipe tasted real good. Thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, so this is how it is looking. So you're gonna fry this till it gets to your taste. Like this is the color I am going for, and that was so good. The result was amazing, and thank you everyone for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support. Okay, so my final look is this and the result was given. I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.